I'm back here at my favourite secret location, and today we're looking at the CX3 Limited, Starvision's latest hybrid pop-up camper. It looks magnificent, packed with luxury, so easy to set up. Let's start by having a look at the front of the van. Starting at the front of the CX3 Limited, firstly it just looks magnificent. So at the top here we've got this really convenient storage space for all your poles, fishing rods, perfect little setup there. And on this side we've got a great little storage space for your Annex, and on this side we've got this convenient slide out for a 9 kilo and a 4.5 kilo gas cylinder. We've got this fantastic fridge slide, plenty of space. We can put a large esky on there. You're going to absolutely love the outdoor dining with this fantastic Galley kitchen, which is so easy to set up. Look at that, we've even got a bug light, keep the bugs away in that hot summer. There's a 2-burner gas cooktop. There's a stainless steel kitchen sink with electric water pump. And you've got access to your storage here. And I love this little roll-out pantry. It's huge, you can put all your condiments in there for your cooking. And next to that, you're going to love this. Look at that, so much storage, so convenient. What an outdoor kitchen. In here you've got your floor mounted heated and cooling, and above here we've got another slider for more storage. Tare weight is approximately 2,350 kilos and the loading capacity is 2,800 kilos. The CX3 Limited has a hot dip galvanised chassis and body deadener. It's got the Arc XO 750 series heavy duty jockey wheel and one of the best couplings on the market, the Cruise Master DO35. We've got LED lights, both internal and external. There's 120 plus an 80 litre fresh water tank. These alloy rims look magnificent with mud terrain tyres. It has a coil spring independent trailing arm suspension and 4 times heavy duty off-road dual shock absorbers. The roof is electric and we can pop that up by hitting a switch. The CX3 has a Projecta battery management system and a 400 watt roof fitted solar panel. There's 2 times 135 amp hour lithium batteries, a 2000 watt power inverter. The first thing you'll notice with the interior of Starvision CX3 Limited is how stylish it looks, and the finishes are just magnificent. You really are travelling first class. The queen bed is so comfortable, and as you can see we've got copious amounts of storage on either side. We've got these fantastic little storage compartments for your books, USB and 12 volt outlets on either side, and some fantastic LED reading lights. The kids are going to love this. Situated at the front of the van, we've got 2 front large bunks. It also comes with reading lights, and under the bunk in the side there's more storage. There's also a rear pop-out bed. We've got a fully enclosed annex. This external shower will be fantastic for hosing down the dog or having a nice shower on those hot summer nights. For your dining, we've got 4 seats with swivel table. The CX3 has hot and cold reverse cycle floor mounted air conditioner. There's a Thetford cassette toilet and internal combined ensuite with shower curtain. The CX3 Limited has a 14 litre Truma UltraRapid hot water system. We've got this fantastic entertainment system, and you'll be boogieing outside all night with these fantastic speakers, and we've also got internal speakers. Wow, how impressive with Starvision CX3 Limited. For more information, contact the team at Starvision.